Keeping your home and family safe is always a priority. And at Kidde, we're transforming the way you do it. Introducing our new smoke and carbon monoxide alarm with smart features. The device alerts you to both smoke and carbon monoxide using a single Wi-Fi-enabled alarm. And Kidde HomeSafe connects with the easy-to-use Kidde app so you can receive real-time notifications of potential danger, reminders of when the device needs to be replaced, or test alarms. The alarm is powered by 120-volt hardwired AC with a sealed backup battery that lasts for 10 years, so you don't have to worry about changing the battery for the entire life of the device. Plus, connection with other Kidde hardwired alarms means when an alarm in any room goes off, all alarms will sound and an alert will be sent to your smartphone. These are just the highlights of Kidde's smoke and carbon monoxide alarm with smart features. Part of a full suite of smart detection products with the power of Kidde HomeSafe, all from a trusted leader in fire safety for more than 100 years. Shop Kidde today and experience a new level of control.